So there are a lot of formatting options here, and you can see that on the tabs there are a lot of options that you can choose from. So let's say, for example, let me just zoom this in a bit, and then over here what you want to do is you want to change its color just like this. But let's say you want to apply some formula, and then if you want to change the color again, you come back, you select this and so forth, which is a bit tedious. So what I can do is I can just right click and I can add it to quick access toolbar, and you can see that it actually pops up right here at the top. So if I want to change the color again, even if I'm in other tabs, I can just select this and click this, and there you go. The fill option is there. You can do this with any object. So you want to change size, you can right click, add to quick access toolbar, it is here. You want to change it, you want to add conditional formatting, quick access to toolbar. You even get the options right here, as you can see. The quick access toolbar is located at the top, and now you can also move the ribbon below, as you can see, and it'll get accessible over here. But I like it at the top itself, so I'm going to change it above. If I want to edit it further, I can click on this, and then I can go to more commands. And once I do that, you can see that you can select a lot of commands right here. You can select popular commands, edit tab commands, and if you want to add in something like email right here, add, and there you go, it is actually added right here. And you want to rearrange everything out. Let's say I want fill color to be after the page size. I can simply move this to the bottom, press OK, and there you go. You can see that everything has been arranged. You can also enable and disable it. Just click here and then disable email, and everything else hides just like that, as you can see. So I can enable save, disable save, and so forth. I can also sort by ascending order or sort descending. You can see that I can enable everything out here as well. And if you want everything to be reset, just go to more commands, and over here inside of reset only quick access toolbar. And once I do that, everything else resets and it gets back to normal. So that is how you can use quick access toolbar inside of Microsoft Excel to quickly access all of the files. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.